On a weak dollar, stock market bullish. I would like to see a retracement to this Fibonacci level, 50 to 61% level. Structure there, if it hits that level, it's the candle reversal. I'll then take some longs. Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. It's Monday, 15 July 2024. Today I will be trading long yen, euro and pound, and short the CAD, the US and the New Zealand. Let's kick off with the dollar index, dropping like a rock on Friday. All the news just pointing. PPI was a little bit bullish, but then later news came out more bearish on the dollar. So the net result is dollar bearish there, short-term indicators bearish, medium and long-term bearish. So there's nothing bullish for me on the dollar. I was expecting a bit of a bigger reaction this morning after the assassination attempt on Donald Trump. That could be a terrible thing for the US if that's succeeded. So yeah, let's see. So dollar index can find support here at this lateral support level, but let's say it might retest also. But at this stage, all bearish, everything. I need to stay bearish today. Gold, well, rallying on Friday, testing this. We look at the daily levels. You see here, there was the support level I showed you, halfway mark of the white candle. Very nice bounce off that middle. There was even a 4-hour reversal signal there on a hammer candle. So definitely very nice. Not a normal Fibonacci trade. That's only the structure there. But at the daily, is nothing wrong taking a trade based on that support level. Busy consolidating. So I am interested also on a breakout trade here. So very nice consolidation busy happening. So the breakout on a weak dollar, that would be good for me. Bitcoin, suddenly out of the blue, we got some very bullish runs on Saturday, Sunday and this morning. Breaking that $60,000 levels. I was worried about this too long upper shadows here, but as I've said, I'm not saying it will go down, but that's not good. But all right, after that breakout, that's where I changed my whole idea again. Very sideways. It's like it's still in this big consolidation. I don't think this size drawdown is on the charts anymore. I think we've done that. Now all I'm going to do is to wait patiently, just a few days for this STL line to turn blue. Once this turns blue, I'll start seriously looking for longs. But I think the big threat of the big sell-off is gone. I think the bottom is sort of in. Not that I'm saying I will buy, but I think we are in. We're going to see retracements and then we can start to buy again. I'm not going to chase into it here. I don't need to chase into it. I'm just waiting for a retracement. But the first thing I wait for is this red line to turn blue. And that's going to take maybe a week. So I'm sitting on my hands waiting for that to happen. Dow Jones, on a weak dollar, stock market bullish. I would like to see a retracement to this Fibonacci level, 50 to 61% level. Structure there, if it hits that level, it's the candle reversal. I'll then take some longs. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Aussie US, same swing as last week. Aussie fading a little bit. I was much more bullish on Aussie on Friday, but now on Monday, it's losing steam. So I'm still interested because I'm interested in the dollar short. That's all. I'm not after the Aussie anymore. But a test there and then a strong reversal, that'll get me to look for some longs. Aussie CAD, Aussie neutral, CAD red zone. I'm after the CAD short. So Aussie is just the opposite currency that I can use to get the CAD short, but I'll go long here and that'll give me that CAD short. But not from those highs. I want this to retest here at structure here. We can even use this level. I think I've missed this level this morning. See there's also another one. So that's basically the two levels you can watch for tests. Once I get a test, candle reversal, I'll take some longs. Pound Swiss. Pound green zone, Swiss neutral. Not after that, but I'm after the pound long. Pound is very bullish across the board, but difficult to find entries. So I would like to see a retracement back to structure here, right at 61% level. Candle reversal, I'll take some longs. Swiss yen. Swiss neutral, but yen green zone. I'll be cautious long because I take a short here, I'll take a long on the yen. Yen is pushing very nicely. But if it gets there, I'll be cautious short here, because that gives me a long on the yen, and yen in general over the larger times are not that bullish. Although on short term it's pushing like crazy, and I will have to listen to my strategy telling me to be long here, but I'll be cautious. CAD yen, same scenario, retracement back to structure here. CAD red zone, yen green zone, want to be short here, will stay cautious because that means also a long on the yen. But if I get a test, I don't think it's going to happen today, but I leave it on my watch list. If it tests today, nice candle reversal, I'll short. Euro US, I was expecting a little bit of a bigger gap here, but okay, fortunately not. Euro green zone, yes, red zone, want to be long, but that gap should get filled. It will be resistance. It will definitely be a resistance level until it closed on a 4-hour basis above that gap. Until then, I'll wait for the retracement back to structure here, and then I'll consider some longs. Pound Australian dollar, pound green zone, Aussie neutral, not after that, but I'm after the pound long. Last little swing here, retracement back to 50% on Fibonacci, right the structure there. This is the area I'm going to watch for longs, but I'm going to need a retracement back here. If I get that, look for counter reversals, and then I'll consider some longs. Euro CAD, Euro green zone, CAD red zone, want to be long, basic. Retracement back to 61% level, right the structure here. This is the area I'm going to look for longs, if I'm lucky enough that it will retrace. Euro New Zealand, very nice run up the page. See, it's already pushing to new highs. But this is the structure here I'm after. Just lift it to pick it up there. This is the level I'm after, is this level here. I'm not saying it will come down there. All I'm saying is if it gets down there, I want to be long, and I'm going to look for some longs. I don't want to be long from up there on those breakouts. I don't like those. I need the retracement to get a better entry. I'm not chasing the market up there. If it comes back down, I'll look for some long setups. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.